What is going on, YouTube? Slicks back with another video. So today I'm just going to talk about my weight loss updates, with that strict diet, what weight I was able to get down to, and what I'm doing this week. Hopefully everyone's having a great Monday. I know I am. I had to go to the dentist and work's going great. So I weighed in at 198.4, so I gained a little bit of weight from yesterday, which is kind of surprising because I was on the calorie deficit and I worked out 2 a day cardio. But during my workout, it was shoulder day, which, I love shoulders, but I had no energy at all when I was doing shoulders. I even drank my pre-workout. I thought I had enough calories in me, but I was pulling up the weights and I couldn't push out those extra couple reps at the end during my working sets. I was like, dude, I'm just not feeling it. I tried pushing up the weights. It was definitely the calorie deficit and the extreme cardio I did in the morning because I was absolutely going kind of crazy on the elliptical in the mornings. Bring Me the Horizon came on, the wheels were turning. But but yeah, the workout didn't go so hot yesterday, but I still got it done. And I wanted to take a break today, a rest day, but I might squeeze in a little back and biceps. I'm just sitting around the house. I'm just like, I kind of want to go to the gym. And I already did my morning cardio today. That went great. It just took me a couple minutes to get out of bed. But I got some calories in my belt for the day. And yeah, I might go to the gym, crank out some back and biceps, do 20 minutes of the elliptical, and then come back, clean up the place, and get my clothes ready for the office tomorrow. And that'll be that. But yeah, diet today. Diet's all good today. But I did have one cheat meal, which was Subway. I got the Italian steak and cheese with lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, chipotle sauce, foot long. It was excellent. And I definitely needed it after that long weekend of just chicken and rice, the strict diet. It was tough. My cravings were going crazy on Saturday. Sunday they weren't too bad, but I kind of felt like really no energy. And it feels good to have some calories back in me. So that's why I wanted to go hit back and biceps. Another topic, I got an air fryer as a gift. I was pretty hesitant to use it because it's quite intimidating, but I did use it for my piece salmon last night, and it tasted awesome. It was nice and crunchy. The seasoning was on point. Added that on top of my rice. I think I'm gonna start using that thing, maybe for some chicken, but I have to test it out and see. So I'm still pretty new with the device, so I gotta figure out the schematics and start using that. But I'm pretty excited for that. And I also switched up my chicken recipe. So I actually bought some spices instead of just, I use this blackened seasoning, it's called. And it's got like a bunch of spices in it, but I want to switch it up. So I got some paprika I tossed on my chicken with some olive oil, oregano, and garlic. I tossed that all on and it came out beautifully. It tasted so good. It has like a different taste than just the same stuff I've been eating all like the past 6 months. So I'm definitely going to toss that recipe in my rotation and maybe find one more. If you have any good chicken recipes for chicken breast in the oven, let me know. I need some like seasoning tips. But yeah, diet's going great. Weather's kind of cold, but can't do that. I'm just waiting for my little vacation coming up next week. And that's that. So if you haven't hit the gym yet, go hit the gym, do some physical activity, go walk around the park, go walk around the kitchen, do some dishes. I don't fucking know. But get active a little bit, do some cardio for that healthy heart. And even if you didn't have a great day, there's always tomorrow. So that'll be the quote for the day. All right, Slicks out. Have a good day.